Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix design not saving in Canva 2026. But why the Canva might not save your design? Designs, guys, may fail to save due to poor or unstable internet connection, browser and app cache issues, syncing problems between device and Canva servers. So to fix the issue, you'll need us first to check your internet connection. So the Canva requires a stable connection to auto save, and that's to go and switch between the Wi-Fi's here. If you're already using another Wi-Fi or it's already connected to your PC, you will need just to switch between them. And also, if not, I do advise you just to disconnect from the current Wi-Fi and reconnect to it. Also, guys, you will need to move closer to the router and restart it if possible, or you can restart the router and also the device and then just recheck if the issue is still going on. Also, you will need to be patient. So Canva auto saves in the background. A brief network spike can delay it. So leave the design open for 30 to 60 seconds and look for the saving and save that. I'm talking about the saved indicator. It's like saving 3 points next to it. So let's say the auto save suck. You will need to press the Control R. Okay, just like that, and then the page will be refreshed, as you can see, and this often forces Canva to sync your changes. All right. So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.